mommy. My needs started growing and my dreams started changing. Taxi, we are Audi. He used to be returned to take it to the city. Got your ass in Mega. Put it a minute to go. Cause the wind is going higher. Please, Mr. Officer, listen to the choir. Abamu kusebo, abalala kupipo power. Sikwamu vuteko luno lugero rasebana. Sirimu achata tewe jibala anga yokana. Ebana bakolana ye. Kanakagalo kasebana. Ebitu byachukanya kuva mulembe kwa sebana. Abana bazina matera mu mulembe gwa sebana. Tewaliwo kawunye mu mulembe gwa sebana. Jamuseto lizaliwo mu mulembe gwa sebana. Kibuga cyari cya mirembe gokera no kwata nusuya watari basenze abana b'amasuti gombino rukaba kwimbe nabo mu butala bali batutusa kebirime wetwanyuka ngatwada kubisaworo tuwagire abana bajokovira site kaso kazabike hasani mu birumu kasafimbe no mayanja ewakulugo koruzija bweranga mu mayinja babude wekira amasanyo gari amadinda wabana kakoye kakaro no vimba abanyumira bali nebizanyonga kosa aba hip hop kusabuna nyontesanga tawali gakawuni mu akenge twenywera atenga mu bidongo kasikwizi komateka kati baba mu bidongo kufuwa ikana kumasimu awuli kwebitu byachukanya kuva mulembe kwa sebana abana bazina amatera mu mulembe kwa sebana kubanga yande badandabula tijanguke n'olabe emmotoka esimbula kiddolo kirinyisiza mmotoka kati bebi wange ajja siiba maziga nsimbule sitera yagala nnyo abaana ne wabaka olumu wadde nga yeebaka olaba ne weebuulira essuubi eyo wemana bitawanya kyazanyisa yabadde yeeyunaanyokeera najja kigula ekintu ky'omwana akyeyagalira kyemanya kirinyisiza fujjo kale obassa ekyo ng'alina kyayagala okwepena awisi dole ey'omwana wange maama efudde yana nanyambo gikadde ewonadduka santana nyize bw'olaba netuyeeralize. Listen now, I'm sipping on this microphone, living with a naked tone. I'm down with all the reggaetons. You better call your judge, cause you're gonna need your diapers on. Can we up the tempo one more time? When you want your musoka, when no more vida, no one no monica, no more vida. I wanna go. I've been finding this channel. Number ne kuka number. Vibing this channel. Number ne kuka number. Wanyokwanya omusoga gwe n'omwerabira n'okwana omudika n'omwerabira ayinza n'okukutugamba omwerabira eby'Uganda byaleero nno bamwerabira bw'Abaganda abatuvako twabeerabira mulaniro byabajja bye twagerabira ebyo bye tusula umeme twatwerabira n'abakola bukunde waffe batwerabira mu Yesu yatufiirira ffe twamwerabira gahemukuwe twagalonda gatwerabira ennono n'obuwanga mwabirabira omukobidi akyata abeno I wish You got the keys to my heart, y'all. 2, the heartbeat in the center. 3, what they go see to Kunyiza. It is rather sweet pain, don't freeze up. 4, I put your love, I'm gonna die, yeah. I put your love, we could start a new chapter. 5, introduce you to the master. Make it official, you're the beast on the mister. These girls, they have no romance. Nancy, you have some romance? Nancy, hello. Yes or no? Basanga coast to take a look. How are you, dear? They make to do saying, shocking our people. Bambus or walk out the boat. On my new album, Nina came back up with Amen. It's a little dancehall. I think it do come fire. There's a new song on my album, it's called Amen. But we can sing together. You can find my album anywhere you want. Santana Karma. This one goes a little like this. Them say we done, we never done. Amen. To live be always on a run. Amen. It's your time to shine, baby, shine. Jah bless we and guide we to the bank. Amen. Them say we done, we never done. Amen. To live be always on a run. Amen. It's your time to shine, baby, shine. Jah bless we and Naba Montani kwa. I'm feeling fantastic, but right now I'm feeling fantastic. What can I Just are you ready, ladies and gentlemen? Yeah. Let's go. I know big guy. Yeah. I know big. So, yeah. Just turn it a little. Yeah. I know big guy over one night stand. I dip a lie, baby, understand. And when you need the sugar, I got some. All of my G's when I see you backside. Hey, Mahana Montana. Hold like a Suwana. Do me like Madonna. You are the everything I understand. And every time you come, you quench my tester. And every time you come, you quench my world. On the cold nights, are we ready? So let's go. On the cold nights, I'll be on the low. When you call me, I go hit the dodo. On the cold nights, I'll be on the low. When you call me, I go hit the dodo. On the cold nights, I'll be on the low. When you call me, I go hit the dodo. On the cold nights, I'll be on the low. When you call me, I go hit the dodo. What can the chords down? Chords down, but let me hear the drums, yeah. On the cold nights, I'll be on the low. When you call me, I go hit the dodo. On the cold nights, I'll be on the low. When you call me, I go hit the dodo. Baby, I've been on the road for you. Trying to hold you down, baby, I'm down for you. Put it on a song for you. Cause I think you're gonna be my baby mama. Every day you look brand new, my girl. You are like them. Yo, pull it up. I want to tell you one thing about this boy. I went to Uganda Matter Secondary School na Mugongo. You get it? Ono mwana damu sanze yesterday nga kubaraga kusomero nga obi wange. Nemga kaza jenge na nae jango tuba tutsemba tusende FMB. But we have to inspire next generation, you know? Yeah man. And this is his first time performing anywhere on the live band. So hey, Obugalos, you know? Yeah man. So I want to take you on a journey right now. My name is Reza. I'm a music producer, I'm an artist, and I'm also a songwriter. You know what it is, and I've not been able to like get the chords right, but at least I've gotten the drums right. True. So expect more bigger music and bigger projects, and I know I'm going to have one with the biggest. You know what it is, yeah. So I do not know how we can rewind that, but probably whatever Santana has tonight. Big up on yourself. More fire. Listen to this one. Okutamula kulaba, okudda kunyumya mwana wango biraba, na baby miula kampala tobafala, kupima bosobodde ngofata, sikusumagira ndabye banji kubala, ne tubayitako tuiza n'okubalaga, bali tusomako mirimu gye n'okufata, nakubombeza ofunye enjala tofa, enokujoga temwenyoma bombo. Next vibe
in the building. Shout out to yourself, my brother. Hey. It's a Santana party representing for 100 Acres Entertainment.
Bunky DJ.
Yes, sir.
Kulia.
Do you know this one?
Kulia. Kampala jira veduka. Waliwona kulia. Kampala jira veduka. Santa mola veduka. Ambakari na chipada kiza. Mugaire na hola. Abaye yanonyaza sisa. Abanyampi bala veduka. Mafioso wali mukava. Watopopa wanola vebaga. Chiri Uganda feno chuya tunyona. Badi blaka mola veduka. Wakukolera kumaneziga. Nasome mbwa zirizi makuja. Wamase mbadesa gavoni mukiria. Bia. Edwin, because beer. Are we singing again? Kunya. I will take this Listen up, you come through with the fault and your kubisa yakada when you we go unwind kumazina gabu you cause and a phobia kubalu sumu mata mamutala wizina mutala. Listen up, but you were kunimesa muziki party out here. We know about two, about Kuluno, about sugar daddy, you know. Eh? Like me, eh? I think we still qualifies for sugar daddy, I think. Yagala, China came out, it's Alimba.